Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel ENG Ali Azam Information Channel. So today topic is what is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO includes activities done off a website in an effort to increase the site search engine rankings. Common off-page SEO actions include building backlinks, encourage branded research, and increase engagement and share to social media. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, is the participate of optimizing web page content for search engines and users. Common on-page SEO practices includes optimize title tags, content, internal links, and URLs. Keyword research. Keyword are important word concept found in your research, question and thesis. A quick and dirty way to pull keywords from a research question thesis is to choose the most important nouns. All other words are irrelevant. Use keyword to search will always retrieve more result than perhaps or sentence. So my next topic is what is technical SEO. Technical SEO is all about improving a website technical aspects to increase its page ranking in the search engines. Making a website faster, easier to crawl, and more understandable for search engines are the pillar of technical optimization. My next topic is competitor analysis. A competitor analysis, also referred to as a competitive analysis, is the process of identifying competitors in your industry and research their different marketing strategies. You can use this information as a point of comparison to identify your company's strategies and weakness relative to each other competitor. So my last topic is what is voice research in SEO. Voice SEO is the optimize of keywords and keywords perhaps for research using voice assistants. According to some SEO expert, voice SEO is required for website to effectively show up in result for research conduct through voice assignment. So we discussed what is off-page SEO, what is on-page SEO, keyword research, what is technical SEO, competitor analysis, what is voice research in SEO. Watch my more videos. Please share, like, and subscribe to my video. Thank you.